So today you guys are going to be making a tetrahedron out of straws and string. So you need to choose one of the 4 types of straws. For this demonstration, I'm going to use this type. Next, you want to cut your straws into 6 centimeter segments. So you want to measure to 6 centimeters and cut the straws. So now we have our straws. I also have cut 1 meter of string, and then we're going to use a needle to thread the string through the straws. Just be careful, this needle has a blunt edge, but if you use a needle with a sharp edge, just be careful with it. So we're going to thread the needle through 3 of the straw segments, like the directions say, and then we're going to tie these straws into a triangle like this. And you want to make sure that when you tie this together, you make the knot super tight so that the triangle is really sturdy. So I have my triangle here, and like it said in the directions, I've threaded 2 more pieces of straw onto the long end of my string. And then, as the directions say, we want to make another triangle. So I'm going to tie the string so that there's 2 triangles like this, kind of end to end. So now I have my 2 triangles tied end to end, and then I cut off the long piece of string, and I threaded that piece of string onto my last piece of straw. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tie this straw so that it connects the 2 ends of the triangle like this to make our tetrahedron. And again, we want to just make sure that we make those knots as tight as possible. So your final tetrahedron should look something like this. And you want to make sure that you make 3 more of these so that you have a total of 4 in your group.